The Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan has asked the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi to apologize for allegedly playing with the sentiments of lack of students and their parents. The statement comes after Supreme Court's verdict rejecting the cancellation and retest of the NEET UG 2024 examinations that have actually created a lot of controversy in the past days. The Supreme Court rejected a plea seeking re-examination amid the allegations of paper leak ahead of the exams which were held on May 5th. Now, hailing the verdict by the Apex Court, Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan has said that the truth has prevailed. He appealed to the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and other opposition leaders to apologize to the students and parents of lakhs of students. Also, he also claimed that they have conspired to create a civil unrest in the country. Dharmendra Pradhan also held a press conference after the Supreme Court's verdict. Now let's listen into some of the important remarks made by him.
जैसे कार्य के अंदर मैं और एक विषय उल्लेख करना चाहता हूं। पिछले नीट की मामला जब सामने आई है, विरोधी दल की भूमिका आज की सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट के बाद भी स्पष्ट हुई। विशेष करके देश की नेता प्रतिपक्ष, लोकसभा में नेता प्रतिपक्ष काल तक जो रवैया अपनाए थे, देश की एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम को अमान्य करना, उसको सेम कहना, उसको रबिश कहना, यह उनकी बौद्धिक स्तर का प्रमाण करती है। आज देश की इसी सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में न केवल भारत में, विश्व में हमारी आईआईटीएन, हमारी भारतीय शिक्षा व्यवस्था से पढ़े हुए इंजीनियर्स, डॉक्टर्स, आईआईएम जैसे इंस्टीट्यूशन से पढ़े हुए विद्यार्थी दुनिया में अपना प्रतिष्ठा बनाए हैं। भारत की इसमें प्रतिष्ठा बनी है। ये सारे एग्जामिनेशन को निंदित करते हुए राहुल गांधी जी भारत को ही निंदा पहुंचाए हैं। देश की विद्यार्थियों को गुमराह करना, भ्रम पैदा करना, सामाजिक तनाव के लिए प्रोत्साहित करना, यह उनकी राजनीति का एक योजनाबद्ध हिस्सा रहा है। देश में लगातार चुनाव पराजय को स्वीकार नहीं करने के कारण अनर्की, सिविल अनरेस्ट उनकी रणनीति की।
Well, now, of course, politics continues to peak on the NEET UG examination that has created a lot of furore in the past few days. After the Supreme Court verdict, now Dharmendra Pradhan publicly made official statements and allegations against the Congress, in particular against Rahul Gandhi, for creating a civil unrest, which he said for also playing with the sentiments of lakhs of aspirants of the NEET UG, because the Apex Court has ordered the re-examination to be cancelled. Now, I'm going to my correspondent Ayush Sharma at this point of time. Ayush, the comments made by Dharmendra Pradhan last evening after the verdict of the Supreme Court have created yet another controversy and levelled many allegations against the Congress, especially Rahul Gandhi, for also playing with the sentiments of many students and their parents.
Well, yes, Simran, the Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan has called on leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi to apologize for allegedly toying with the emotions of thousands of students and their parents. This demand follow a Supreme Court decision rejecting the cancellation and re-examination of the NEET UG 2024 exam. The Supreme Court dismissed a plea seeking a retest in light of allegations that the exam paper had been leaked prior to the exam, which was conducted on May 5th. And praising the verdict, Dharmendra Pradhan stated that truth had ultimately triumphed. He urged Rahul Gandhi and other opposition leaders to apologize to the affected students and parents, accusing them of attempting to incite civil unrest across the country. He also emphasized that the opposition's action was not only irresponsible but also damaging to the nation's stability and the well-being of its citizens. And in the press conference held after the Supreme Court's ruling, Pradhan elaborated on his statements. He reaffirmed the integrity of the NEET UG examination process, stating that the court's decision validated the efforts of the Education Ministry and exam authorities to conduct a fair and transparent examination. He criticized the opposition for what he termed as a deliberate effort to undermine public trust in national institutions and processes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.